All right, welcome back to our second webcast. This is our continued mini lessons on circles. So the first thing we did today was students reviewed what the radius and the diameter was and the relationship between the two. So we're going to focus right here on this circle, and if I were to find the radius, it is the line segment that goes from the center of the circle to a point on the circle. So here our radius measures 4 centimeters. So the students had this exact same worksheet and they wrote down 4 centimeters. Then they were asked, if the radius of this circle is 4 centimeters, then what is the diameter? Students were able to answer that the diameter is 2 times the radius. So 4 times 2 is 8 centimeters. We're just going to go ahead and double check that. And yes, the diameter measures exactly at 8 centimeters. Now we focused on what is the relationship between the diameter and the circumference, because there is a relationship. So what the students and I did is we took a piece of string and we measured it as our diameter, which came out to be 8 centimeters, of course. And we took that diameter and placed it on top of our circumference. And we tried to see how many diameters it would take to go around our circumference. So we positioned our string, and this was 1 diameter. So we highlighted that in yellow. 1 diameter. We did it again. Took our same string that measured 8 centimeters and placed it on our circumference. That was 2 diameters. We did it one last time. Took our piece of string and placed it on our circumference. And that measured out to be 3 diameters. What students found out is that the circumference is about 3 diameters. So it's a good estimate. It's about 3 diameters. Now what we can see is that the circumference is obviously a little bit larger than 3 diameters, but students just need to estimate. So the relationship between the circumference and the diameter is that the circumference is 3 times the diameter. Now parents, you may know that the circumference is pi times the diameter. And we talked about this with our students, that pi is 3.14. And when rounded, it rounds to 3. So students in 5th grade only need to know that the diameter is about, students only need to know that the circumference is about 3 times the diameter. So 8 times 3 is 24 centimeters. So that is basically what students learned today. The main thing here again is that the circumference is about 3 times the diameter. If students know that, they're good to go. So as we recap, the 3 things students need to know when talking about a circle is that the radius is half of the diameter is 2 times the radius, and the circumference is 3 times the diameter. If students know these 3 things, they will excel. So thank you for coming back and checking in with us for our second webcast. You will have attached worksheets. There are attached worksheets to practice at home. Just email me and I will be happy to send them to you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.